Don't you want some shake or just mango? I just
I put my order in and I stick with it.
Isa ka ko niya, di mo. Will you call it that's May?
Hi.
So yummy. Yeah.
Thank you. Look at that face. She got used to my chili sauce, which is best. Put it to the chest.
It's both spicy.
Huh?
Yours got more crispy.
Of course.
But it tastes good.
What is this? Oh, but you could not wait. You just have to take a bite, huh? Also, remember the soya I bought you. Oh, you already got gravy.
It's really what I've been craving so much in all my life.
What have you been craving for?
This one.
Why?
Because this is like my all-time favorite.
And what is it called?
Mayo.
Are you happy?
So much. This is what I used to always when I was still studying in the university. Like this is always.
Disclaimer, she's never studying. It's another one. You took it?
It? Yeah.
So you started it?
I studied it.
Okay.
It's so yummy. And
Let me see you eat it. No. Is it lummy?
so much.
Why is it there is no mic in this one? Anyway, Poso.
Good morning guys, and today pauwi na kami sa Cebu. So we're leaving Camotes Island today and we're just waiting for our boat ba tawag dun? Yeah, we're just waiting for the barko, So anyway, our schedule is 10 in the morning at saka nasa 9 pa ngayon. So right now I'm just drinking my coffee and waiting for my breakfast. Nagpaluto ako ng Cebuano breakfast. So may chorizo, ganyan. Nandito kami sa, what is it called? Pakita ko sa inyo. Cafe Aroma. Dito mismo sa port ng Camotes. Consuelo dong, name of the port. Name of the port, Consuelo? Okay. So far kami lang dalawa. Medyo umulan kanina ng sobra. I hope na hindi na umulan ulit. for the whole day. See? Kami lang tao dito. Yeah, and first time kong nagpunta dito sa Camotes kasi, and I have to say, it's really been a great vacation dito sa Camotes. Sobrang friendly ng mga tao, and the prices are really way cheaper compare sa obviously Cebu City, sa Bohol, ganyan. So, yun. And we've also stayed in a place where talagang paglabas mo, yung white sand na. So, sobrang na-enjoy ko siya. Pero, you know, inom na muna tayo. So, we're gonna be back in the city, and let's see kung saan kami pupunta because, maybe punta kaming Mualbual, ganyan. So, we'll see. Yung ko guys, yung pangingitim ko sobra, pero I actually really like my skin to be this way. I just hope yung damages sa pagmumukha ko is wala. So, yun yung plan. Magstay kami ng 1 day sa city, sa hotel doon. And then, we're gonna plan everything there and meet my family, obviously. And I'd like to spend more time with my brother because he's gonna be away soon. And I don't know when he's gonna be back because sometimes hindi nag-fit yung schedule namin. So, he is a seaman. So, it could be the next time I come here, he's not here because he's working. So, that's gonna be the priority to spend more time with family. Kasi, diba, yan naman yung pinunta natin dito sa Pinas to have a vacation and be with the family. Kasi, if vacation lang, pwede namang sa other countries na lang din na nandun lang din sa Europe. So, as much as possible, pag andito kami sa Philippines, gusto ko talaga, of course, time with my husband also, but gusto ko talaga na makapag-spend time with family. Yun lang. Busy siya, oh. So, this is my breakfast dito sa Cafe Aroma. Mura lang siya guys, 120 pesos. 2 eggs na 1 rice, some corn, and then chorizo, and all-time favorite, danggit, dried fish.
We just arrived from Camotes Island, San Fernando. No, it's wrong. It was Santiago Bay. Anyway, we just arrived to a hotel we never been in. I just found it online. This is the tour. Let's go. Here we go. There's a table. There's drinks. There's prices of what the drinks are, and the mahal. Television, cooker, and free water. Please make up my room. Remote controls, and there is a ref. But the best part is the bed. It actually looked nice, big. So I'm gonna enjoy that. A picture of me and my wife, not a phone. And here we go. It's actually a room is pretty, but the bedroom. The bedroom is looking nice. Spotless, clean, big shower, and actually nice. And they also got an aircon. That's cold, 70 degrees as you see up there, if you can see.
Yeah, I can see.
And it is cold. And they got the cutest of all safety boxes ever. Ever. Can you grab it and go? No, you cannot. You have to bring it. But it's always nice, in my opinion, to have a place you can lock your passport. If you got a credit card, if you got money. Not that we have any, but if you had something, it'd be nice to lock them in there. It's just adding a little extra security because you don't want to lose your passport. So that's it for now. It's nice. Oh, by the way, the price was only less than 1,200 peso. You're right, you heard it here first. 1,200 peso, and there is a swimming pool. That's it for now. Bye.